Today we are going to build a mini fan. Let us see what components we will need. Some double-sided tape, a battery connector, a 9-volt battery, a switch, a motor and a propeller. Now attach the motor at the bottom of the battery with some double-sided tape. After it's done, take the switch and stick a double-sided tape to the switch. And now let's attach the switch at the side of the 9-volt battery. Take the brown wire or the negative terminal of the motor and connect it to one side of the switch. Twist the wire to secure it properly. Now take the battery connector and attach it to the battery. After attaching, connect the positive wire of the connector to the positive wire of the battery. Twist the wires to secure it properly. Take some insulation tape to insulate the exposed part of the joint. Now connect the negative terminal of the connector to the other side of the switch. Twist the wire to secure it properly. Now, if the switch is pressed, the motor works. Lastly, we are going to attach the propeller to the shaft of the motor. This is the outcome, and our mini fan is ready.